The sad thing about before Alternative became really well known for brain issues like this is they put them in institutions. They put them away. And it's very, very sad. And we've got some very brave parents today who say, no, I am not doing that. And they fight for their kids. And I guarantee you it takes fighting for your kids to get them well when they're very severe.
Dr. Corrine Allen is the director and founder for the Advanced Learning and Development Institute, and for more than 30 years has dedicated herself to the research and practice of natural health and nutrition. Dr. Allen is recognized worldwide for her natural and practical approach in finding alternative methods of stimulating permanent changes in the brain in dyslexia, ADD, autism, Asperger's, learning disabilities, behavioral issues, and brain injuries. The Advanced Learning and Development Institute is a unique organization dedicated to a complete, natural, and holistic approach in retraining neurological brain pathways to achieve positive, life-changing results.
Well, we've had severely autistics come in who could not even do another program because they were physically dangerous. They were so tactily and sensory defensive, and autistic parents